Hello, everyone. Now I have the pleasure to stand here next to Lucy Trang Nguyen from Accedo, and we are going to talk about how the immersive experience would really be created beyond the smartphone in the future and onto AR devices of different kinds. So, Lucy, here in Barcelona at the Mobile World Congress, we are showcasing how some of these experiences are coming alive. Could you explain a little bit more what the visitors would be able to see here, what we have developed together?
Sure. So what we have done this year at Mobile World Congress is really to create a very relatable use case, which is how are we consuming content on the commute. So what we built is like a tram experience. You're going into a tram, you're putting on AR glasses, and you will actually see how you can interact with these glasses in different use cases. One is gaming or virtual workspaces, how you would actually use these glasses to work in the future, as well as consuming media and entertainment content.
So what I really took away from the experience was that it touched upon so many different examples and use cases. And a lot of the things, like we said before, that's only done on the smartphone today or the laptop. So what would it require for this to come alive? I mean, are the devices there? Do you see the network delivering as it should? How about the developer community? Are they ready for this step?
It's a very good question. Actually, from many of the mass consumers today, they may actually not know that all of these devices are already commercially available. So you can buy these glasses today already. And the glasses that we have at Mobile World Congress, these are state-of-the-art glasses today with very high resolution. And in terms of the developer community, as an example, Google has just launched Android XR. It's going to be an extension to the existing Android ecosystem. That means all of the existing Android applications will be available on these glasses too. So that means we as consumers, we can consume all of the content that we are already familiar with on these glasses.
Oh, that's great. So a lot of the work already done into developing different services could now sort of be transferred onto another kind of experience, a whole other level of immersive experience.
Exactly. And the way how we work with Ericsson in terms of how the network could actually enhance all of these experiences, we as developers, for example, using network APIs, we get all of the information from the devices that are exposed through network APIs to build very personalized experiences.
Yes.
So when we understand that you as a user right now, you're in a very congested network place, for example, you're in a soccer stadium, and we know your user behavior before, we know your personal information, we can actually tailor the experience, for example, virtual advertising to what you are actually interested in.
That is so great. And Lucy, what you're talking with us here today is actually enabled by those high performing programmable networks that enable the differentiated connectivity that could make the tailored experiences, the immersive experiences happen. And as you said, the devices are here, we have the developers ready, and with the extended capabilities that come with leveraging the network APIs, we can really create those whole other level of experiences together. So great to have you here and to partner with you in making this come true for everyone. So thank you so much, Lucy.
Thank you.
Thank you.